Alright, we're up here on the roof of the little building, MOE1, and today we're cleaning condenser coils. Fun stuff. Just got my new coil gun here. They're really nice. The foaming wand on there. And I already cleaned that one over there. It was a 7.5 ton unit. I'll come back to that one later for other stuff. But cleaned this half and it's looking pretty good. Good stuff. This is, you can see it, new bright. This new Calgon. Good stuff. Okay. So here we have a nice little quick disconnect. Imagine how nice it is. See, I just got talking about how good it was. Something like that. There we go. Let that sit for a minute. Turn this off later. And I want to go over here, rinse the insides of this one out. You can see down in there a lot of foam. Floodgates. Oh man. Oh yeah, there we go. Just barely. See, we have some drainage issues on this roof. Man, that's messed up. Oh man, I may have to get my screw gun. Yep, I'm gonna have to get my screw gun for that. It's alright. I see these really cleaned up a lot. You can see here somebody used some acidic cleaner at one time. Just wasted some of the coils, man. Hate to see that. This unit's not that old. Good shape. It's a dual compressor, dual circuit carrier, 7.5 ton. Had two 3-phase Bristol compressors in there, and they both work very nicely. See, one of them has been serviced before. They replaced that little bullet liquid line dryer and put in a suction dryer too. Good for them. Look at that drainage. Nice. Fantastic stuff. Unlike the last people who worked here, I think they want to do good job rinsing these down. Acidic or no, all cleaners will eat the coil eventually. If you don't rinse it off, that is. Nice and clean. Any of that stuff hanging out. Nice and shiny. Oh. Fun stuff. Fun stuff.